Hey guys, this is Onisha Biggs of PharmacyTakeLessons.com, and this is another episode of the Ask PTL show. And today we're going to be talking about pharmacy technician study groups in your city, specifically Houston.
Do you know of any study groups in the Houston area?
All right, so Bing_begans. I'm making sure I say your name right. Thank you so much for this question. It's actually a pretty good question, and it's really good because I can tell that you're seeking out the knowledge and you're trying to gain the skill set to become a pharmacy technician. So, basically, in the Houston area specifically, to answer your question, yes, there are plenty of study groups. Now, one that I can vouch for specifically would be ours, of course. So we study every single Monday. And if you would like more information on this, then you can definitely shoot an email to pharmacytechlessons@gmail.com, and we'll definitely get you taken care of, and you can come be a part of all of that goodness. But I also want to talk about just pharmacies or pharmacy technician study groups in general, as a whole. So when you're studying, guys, you definitely want to make sure that you're not doing it by yourself, okay? Especially in 2020 and beyond. The reason why is because this exam is consistently changing all the time. If you're over there trying to do it by yourself, it's going to be really tough. I've seen so many students try to study the exam by themselves before coming to us, and they actually had a hard time. They struggled. They failed the exam. They found that it was just the hardest thing in the world, what it seemed like. But you can get connected with people that have the right information, and also that can inspire you and push you and keep you accountable. This is why a study group is actually awesome. So in your city, find a group of people that are studying to become pharmacy technicians, or that are studying for the same exam that you're trying to pass, okay? And if you don't know any groups in your specific city, let's just say you're in a super small town, then definitely we will allow you to study with us, and you can actually join us from online, okay? If you want more information about that, just shoot us an email as well, just like Bing_begans is. But that is definitely what I would advise you to do. As far as study groups in the great Houston, Texas, that's your answer, and that's my take on it. So you guys have a wonderful day, and happy studies with your groups. Happy studies for you. This has been Onisha Biggs of PharmacyTakeLessons.com. Have a great day.